Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Student, you have done your previous homework. You have draw clock on worksheet and write the time. All of you, and paste the worksheet in your rough notebook. That's good. Student, move toward our today topic again, time AM and PM. Today we learn about AM and PM. Student, AM means anti-meridian and PM means post-meridian. These two words derive from the Latin word meridians, which mean midday or noon. AM stand for anti-meridian and PM stand for post-meridian. M means meridians, which means midday or noon. Look at anti mean before and post mean after. Look at student, this is a timeline. This is a timeline. And midday, we consider midday at the center. Okay, let's suppose Ali woke up at 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock. So, Ali woke up at 7 o'clock. How do we show that it is 7 o'clock in the morning or 7 o'clock at night? Student, there are 24 hours in one day. Those 24 hours divided into two parts. Each part contains 12 hours. The first part are called AM and the second part is called PM. The first part of the day goes from midnight to noon, midnight to noon or midnight to midday. It is morning time. It is considered morning time. We call the time between midnight to midday or noon AM. Or simply we say AM comes from a Latin word. It means before noon. Before noon. So what is mean by AM? AM is a Latin word. Anti-meridian. It's come from a Latin word anti-meridian, where anti means before. So time between midnight to midday is known as AM or morning time. So move toward the second part. And the second part of the day goes from noon to midnight. Noon to midnight. It is afternoon and evening. It is afternoon or evening part. We call the time between noon and midnight is PM. PM means post meridian or after. So we can easily say the time after mid-noon to midnight is known as PM. Is known as PM. Okay, and PM comes again. Again, PM comes from a Latin para. That means after midday. PMs mean, in simple words, PMs mean after midday. And AM means before midday. What is the specific meaning of AM and PM is anti-meridian and post-meridian. Clear, student? Student, remember, it is both light and dark during the AM and it is again both light and dark in PM. Look at here, just it's 12 midnight, after 12, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. All these times are considered in night times, mean dark. But after 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, we consider in morning time. In morning time means day start. Actually, day start from 12 midnight, after 12 midnight. But when you people consider light is light, then after 6 o'clock. And again, midday up to 12 noon. 12, it's considered midday. And after midday, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up to 6, we consider light. And after 6, evening time is start. So before midday, we consider AM. And after midday, we consider PM. Clear? Clear? Both these one words are considered in midday. After and before midday. No, it's clear that 7 o'clock, if any woke up at 7 o'clock means it's 7 o'clock in morning time. In morning time, 7 o'clock is here. So 7 a.m. You people get up. You people take your breakfast, go to school. These all activities are in this time, a.m. But consider in your lunch break, your assembly time. That's all timing are before midday or before noon. But your off timing of school is after midday. Your play time, your homework time, you watch cartoons, you go to bed. All these activities are comes in afternoon, after midday. Clear? Clear, student? So what is mean by AM? AM stand for anti-meridian, means anti-where, anti mean before, midday, and PM stand for post-meridian, and post mean after midday and before midday. Now you people can easily solve questions related to AM and PM. Okay, open your book, page number 107. Open book page 107 and consider this timeline and solve the question. Exercise 5.1. Look at the first question. For the following time, write AM or PM. Same question is given. Okay. First one is 2 o'clock in the morning. 2 o'clock in the morning. Look at it is before midday or after midday, student? Yes, before midday. So it's considered this time 2 o'clock in the morning is AM. Now 9 o'clock in the evening. 9 o'clock in the evening, look at the board. Means this time is after midday. After midday. So we consider, so this time is PM. Next one, 1:30. 1:30 in the afternoon. Again after midday, PM. 12:20 in the night means after midnight. So AM. And the next one, 8:30 in the morning. Again before midday. So AM. Second part of this question is second question of this exercise is fill in the blanks. There are two parts of a day. Each part contains dash hours. Already explained in the start of the lecture. First part of the day start from midnight 12 p.m. to midday 12. Clear on the board. If start from 12 p.m. then end of 12 a.m. Second part of the day start from midday 12 a.m. to midnight 12. Question part second and third are opposite of each other. Clear? You people solve these questions in your rough notebook. Okay? You people solve these questions in your rough notebook, means you people copy this question in your rough notebook and write AM and PM, and the next question is like objective time. You people fill in the blanks. Your homework is to exercise 5.1 question 1 plus 2, book page 107 on rough copy. Okay, student? Clear? Okay. Thank you.